people are coming. So this patient came to me on 7/6/19. So he is a 33-year-old male who is from Ahmedabad. So he did some routine investigation, and he found out that his TSH was around 10.9. His NT-TPO was increased, and anti-thyroglobulin antibody was within normal range. Vitamin D3 deficiency, then cough with yellowish sputum since 2011, and it happens from morning till noon. Every day from morning till noon, he will have this cough with yellowish sputum. Then he has this crepitus, not crepitations, wrongly written. Crepitus is in knee, first right side and then left from 2016. Weakness from last 1 month, acidity and excess of earwax. So these were all the problems which he presented with. So now what can we think when the patient presents with such problems? Our thinking process should start immediately with the presenting complaint. Yes, please. Vitamin D3 deficiency, then cough with yellowish sputum, crepitus in right knee and then left, weakness, acidity, excess of earwax. All are tired.
Sir, anti-TP was under a routine health checkup, or he was under previous any treatment?
So I suggested him to check for anti-TPO.
Okay.
Because I have this one. This is my routine habit. Every case of hypothyroidism or hyper, I always check the antibodies. Because in
we need to Sir, we need to find out why this patient went into autoimmunity. So we need to probe for the autoimmune syphilis.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Any chest X-ray done, sir? Any chest X-ray?
Any? Sorry?
Chest X-ray.
I didn't get.
Chest X-ray. Chest X-ray.
Chest X-ray. Okay. Chest X-ray revealed nothing. This is his chronic problem. He already did all the investigations. Nothing is there in the respiratory tract. Only this allergic cough. So, vitamin D3 deficiency is related to your bones decalcification. So, first thing is why this decalcification is happening. Number 2, this cough with yellowish sputum. Mics, please turn off the mics. Cough with yellowish sputum. This is some kind of allergy. Only sputum comes. There is no sneezing, nothing else is there. So this is related to some kind of irritation of the upper respiratory tract. Then crepitus in the right knee. So what does knee stands for?
Stability.
Stability, very nice. And
Support.
Weight bearing.
not
Weight bearing joints. Weight bearing.
weight bearing joint.
Support.
Responsibility.
Not responsibility. Knee is
Support.
not support also.
Burden, feeling of burden.
Self-esteem.
Self-esteem is everywhere in the joints and in the bones. Everywhere there is self-esteem involved. So in the knee is for adjusting to a certain situation. Whether you want to give up certain things or whether you don't want to give up certain things. So if there is a situation where you are in a state of giving up, you have done so and so and so, you have done all the efforts you have done, and in the end you feel like giving up, then your knees will be involved. So devaluation of the conflict related to giving up will give you knee problem. So first right and then left means first fatherly side is involved and then the family or the children related conflicts are there. Then weakness from last 1 month, it means that the person is making effort and the efforts are not being successful. Acidity means some kind of anger which is there inside. So all these factors are there in the life of this patient. Now this is the report 9.11. I have missed one report. Actually this fellow is very careless. So today morning I had called him up. So whatever reports he was having, so he WhatsApped me. So I think he lost 1 or 2 report. This is NT-TPO, which is 25. Normal range in the lab is 12. So this is 33-year-old male. And I suggested him to go for this investigation, but after 1 month he did. Antithyroglobulin is normal. This patient is thirsty, chilly, and I saw that his hair were from this side, they were standing, they were erect on the right side of the vertex. What does it mean? If a person is having erect hair on the right side of vertex, what does it mean? Vertex signifies conflict with the
Identity.
superior members. This is the point which is also related to the which is also related to in connection with God. So when the hairs are erect on this surface, that means you are not willing to adjust to the topmost family people. So you are defiant against the, you try to fight against the higher members of the family, father or mother or whatever. In this case, father. So this is all, there is some problem with the father. He and his father, there is some issue. So this is what we can make out from the problem. History of seasonal flu in childhood, no other major illness. Now childhood. So he has 3 brothers and 1 sister. So his father was very strict. So he used to keep the distance from his father. He never showed love and affection to all the kids. Never talked to us like a friend. He never used to support us in any decision. So what we guessed was right. So this father was very strict. So inside and inside, he had a feeling that whatever father is saying, I should not comply to whatever he is saying. So he wanted love and affection from father, a friendly relationship which he did not provide. We were financially weak. I used to sell newspapers. I studied in private school, so used to feel guilty about the work which I am doing. I used to hide my face. I used to think that मैं काम छोटा कर रहा हूँ और मेरा सर्कल बड़ा है, मजाक ना उड़ा दे मेरी. So he said कि he used to sell newspapers, and whenever he used to go door to door, so that time if anyone used to see him, so he used to feel that I am doing such a small job, and I have contacts with very with kids of uh, bigger family people, so they will try to make fun of me. So that was his feeling. आंखें नीचे करके बैठा रहता था, अपने आप में हो गए, मन में गाली देनी है, मैं गरीब हूँ, साधन नहीं है, नो क्रीम पाउडर परफ्यूम, गरीब दिखता हूँ. So he had a feeling that I am very poor person, we don't have anything, no resources we have, no cream powder, nothing, my appearances is like that of a poor fellow. So he used to wear clothes of his friends. If anyone used to say anything, he used to think that because he is a poor fellow, people are saying like this. I look poor, clothes are not proper, what people are thinking about him, he used to think. All these things I used to think. Although nobody used to say anything like this, it was only his perception. Nobody used to tell him, but only he used to think like this. So he started working at the age of 11 years, and for 3 years he distributed newspaper. After that he was working in a shop, followed by working with his elder brother in his lorry and selling belts. From 2004 we have a small lorry selling breakfast items. So he was doing all sorts of work. So he was working with his elder brother also in a lorry. They used to sell breakfast items and belts also. So now what we make out of this person so far?
He has inferiority complex.
Inferiority, very good. Inferiority complex is there. Yes,
And he reproaches himself. He reproaches
reproaches
himself.
for
Suppression of emotions. Suppressed emotions.
suppressed emotions. Yes, nice inputs here.
Delusion poor.
Delusion poor, but actually he is poor.
Delusion small, he is.
Delusion small he is. Very nice, very nice. Very nice rubric you chose. Delusion small he is.
Thank you.
And what else? What feeling we are?
Aversion,
Yes.
aversion to father.
Aversion to father.
The biting father on rubric is there.
Okay, biting father.
Stonting or only one medicine is there.
But he never retaliated to father.
Mm-hmm.
He wished, but he never spoke against because he was so very strict person. His father is
Mm-hmm.
also my patient, so I know him.
Okay.
Sir, can we take delusion ugly?
Delusion ugly, why, sir?
Means he thinks that I'm not looking good.
Hmm. Ugly is, sir, when you take ugly is something which is look wise bit distorted. Look wise bit
Okay.
distorted. So here there is no distorted feeling.
Fancy's exaltation.
Fancy's exaltation. Yes, sir. Very nice. What I want to stress upon is we should not directly jump upon rubric. We first try to understand this person, what type of language he is talking.
Sir, it is an autoimmune disease.
Yes, sir.
He blames himself that he is having nothing.
Hmm.
That take him for lifelong.
Yes, sir. This feeling is there. What
His
about
feeling is there.
what about hiding face?
Embarrassment, embarrassed feeling.
Embarrassment.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So he used to say, I always wanted.
Kuttu, porthu nadakku.
I always wanted that I should have car and house of my own, not a big one, but a small one is good for me. All the more he doesn't have that big dreams. He has a dream of a normal middle class person. I had lots of desires as a child which I had always suppressed. So he says,
Sir,
sir, please mic's off. I never say no to anyone for any work. If anyone asks for any help, I do it and I can't say no. If someone gets hurt because of me, I feel unhappy. So he is kind of sensitive person. So recently before thyroid tests were done, what happened before that? So these 4 people, they were involved in a project. So we could not trust the third person and on whom we were dependent. Third means the fourth person. So there was one person and these 3 persons were involved in a project. So that the fourth person, these 3 people were not able to trust. We wanted to start a blood bank in Ahmedabad. We had contacted a hospital for that, but place was far off from city. So this place was far off from city. The business which he was doing, he felt that that business has no future, and he was very insecure about that business. So in the current business, what was the problem? That these local municipal officers, so they were telling that they might say one day that you are illegally occupying a place and it will be very difficult for us to start a new place. So new place and new business is very difficult thing. So this new business of blood bank will make my base stronger. Something good will come up in this blood bank business, as I've seen poverty in childhood. I'll get good money also. And he says that the future of the children will also be better. So it will be a business of reputation and status. So this was the conflict which was going on in his mind. So the place which he selected was on rent, and the rent was heavy, and there is a norm that blood bank has to be established in a hospital premise only. So they found out a place for their blood bank, but there was a rule that it need to be opened in a hospital. So 6 months will be required for the permission, and file goes to 4 departments before you are given the permission. It's a complex procedure. So there is another rule that if you have a blood bank, you cannot do camps outside, and for all sample collection, you have to take separate permission for that. Suppose if you don't get the permission, then the whole investment will be a waste. So this is what he was thinking. So due to my current business, मुझे हमेशा शर्मिंदगी रहेगी. This was the feeling. So he was feeling that I will be always ashamed of my whatever work I am doing right now. So I will be ashamed of that. My brother started a bakery business which is going on so well that I always say that I have a catering business. I never say that I have a small breakfast lorry business. So this is what he's saying. Whenever I go to my children's school, always say that I have a blood bank business. If I say that I have a small lorry, they would not give admission to my children, as I always say that I have a bakery business. Lorry वालों की कोई reputation नहीं होती. He feels that the people who are working in a lorry, so they don't have a reputation, and always in the mind this constant feeling is there that I should not speak that I'm having a lorry business. So in that particular proposal, so all of them, they analyzed the situation. So after 2 months, so they decided not to continue with this proposal. So now after this, he developed hypothyroidism. Now what is the prominent feeling coming in this case right from childhood till date?
Inferiority complex.
Inferiority complex, very good. So what is the rubric for that? Very clear it is.
Delusion
Whatever.
small.
Pessimism.
Pessimism.
Inferiority complex.
Inferiority complex.
Sir, embarrassment.
Despised or looked down upon.
Looked down upon. He's feeling
Yes.
looked down upon. Yes. And what else?
Embarrassment, social position concerned about.
Social position concerned about. Very nice. Embarrassment. Embarrassed feeling, I think from beginning it is continuing. Yes. Embarrassment. Despised. Delusion small. Yes, very nice. Very nice. See here, initially what I thought was
Delusion disgraced his.
delusion disgrace, but nobody disgraced him. Disgraced is this is the level and the person is coming up to this level. This is grace and this is disgrace. So nothing of that sort actually happened. He is more of ashamed of whatever has happened in the life because of less money. So even though this problem is there, still there is one thing which is genetic. The perception of one thing which is genetic, which I found out that the embarrassment which is continuously going on right from childhood till date. So this I found out that this is very important, and I entered the case through this embarrassed feeling. So there was one prominent feeling, and that was embarrassed feeling. So this was my entry point. Simple as that. Embarrassed feeling, person is having fast speed, extroverted, non-diligent. So these are the remedies: Embragracia, Beraita carb, Bungarus, Carbovate, China, Culex, Digitalis, Ferrum, Gelsemium, Germanium, Mercury, Neon, Opium, Phosphorus, Plutonium, Tarantula. These
My
remedies.
opinion.
Yes, sir.
Beraita carb.
Beraita carb. One remedy came, Beraita carb. Yes, next. So Beraita carb or Beraita mure, phos, any other thing from the group?
Iodom.
Iodum or fast speed. Yes, anyone?
Fast and thyroid gland. Glandular remedy.
Glandular remedy, exactly, sir. Yes, anyone else? Ambragracia. Ambragracia is having a lot of embarrassment. Yes, nice. Ambragracia. I think 3 minutes and all we have to rejoin. Yes, anything else? Any other remedy? Speed is important. This person is speedy.
Merxol, sir.
Mercury, sir, speed is there in Mercury, but his reaction is not according to Mercury. Mercury means वो father से भिड़ जाएगा, he would be defiant. Actually, जो उसका काम है, he is very famous in blood donation. Anywhere in the town, if anyone requires blood donation, so their team will go and donate blood. So he's having very high contacts. And he never says no to anyone. He's very helpful.
Baraita Foss or Baraita Sulf?
Why Baraita, sir?
Baraita means that embarrassment, shyness feeling is there, and Sulf will give him speed and helpfulness, which is, and for him money is important, or respect.
Respect
was important for him. So Baraita Sulf.
So Baraita, the embarrassed feeling is unrelated to anything. Baraita will be without any reason will be embarrassed. So he's having certain reason to be embarrassed about. So he's not going out of track of embarrassment. Recently, I had encountered a case of Baraita. I think Baraita floor I had prescribed. Very nice. So this patient, and I am very thankful to his wife. The whole history his wife gave. He never, I think, if I would have asked him, so मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मिलता, nothing I would have got from the history. So his wife voluntarily entered and she told everything about him. And this was a ditto copy picture of Baraita.
Floor for him. They given Baraita floor for him.